And we are live. Welcome to another episode of AB Trapping. And today we're going to be showing you how to change a key fob battery. And let's get right into it. Go grab your key fob, turn it around. There should be a button in the back. Push it up and the key should come out. Now, if you take the key fob all the way on the top or all the way on the bottom, there should be these two plastic tabs. You want to put the key in between those two tabs. You want to be very careful. This is something that could easily break. So just be very calm with it, slow. Don't use all your force with it. The type of battery you need is a coin battery. They range from $2 to $10. The more you pay, the better you get. After that, you just want to slide that old battery out and slide the new one in. Make sure the plus sign is facing you, so facing up so you can see it. Just want to slide it down. It's a little tricky. Each key fob is different. After you get the battery in there, you just want to close it. This part was a little tricky trying to line it up, but after 2 minutes, I got it. After you close it, just slide the key in and you're good to go. The light shouldn't be blinking anymore. Your car shouldn't be telling you that your key fob is dying. And yeah, 2-minute job. Simple, right? That's all I got for you. Don't forget to drop a like, a subscribe, a comment, a share. Do all that good stuff for me. Until next time.